Welcome back. I have already explained you 0R page number 1, 2, 3 in my previous video. Today I will be explaining you page number 4, 5 and 6. So here we start with page number 4, paragraph number 18. Then he found the big dome where they were building the rocket. It was so sleek and beautiful and shiny that he just stared at it. From where he was staring, through the grating in the floor that was for air circulation or something. Like it was the sewer where wires were set. So grating was given to the sewer, a kind of metal frame with having a window type of format. So from there he was looking out and he saw a dome where the rocket was set to take off. Okay, and how kind of dome was? It was sleek, beautiful and shiny. So this is your paragraph number 18. Now when he saw, he did not know. My dear children, from 19 paragraph we have a background story. How he came to know that that rocket is set for to moon, and how he came to know that father is going to moon, how he came to know that he is also joining his father to go to moon. From 19 paragraph we have that story. Let's see. He did not know it was a moon rocket at first. Not until he had gone back several times to peek up at it. And then one day, two scientists came walking along, close to where he stood, hidden from view. So, in this paragraph, it is told that he was not known before that the rocket is set for moon. He did not know until he had gone back several times. He came several times to see. Pick up means to see the work going on. And then only he came to know that this rocket is going to moon. And when one day the scientists worked along with the place where he used to sit and peek out, there only they were standing and talking. And that day he came to know that the rocket is going to launch to the moon. One of them was father. Out of these two scientists, one was father. Let's see on 21 paragraph. Bobby almost called out to him, but he caught himself and just listened to them talking. He learned the rocket was going to the moon. And it was funny because even there they spoke in a low voice and didn't give too much away. He's telling that the narrator is mentioning here that when Bobby saw that out of two, one was father, he was about to call his father, but he caught himself. He did not do so. Okay, he did not do so and he started listening them. And then only he understood. He came to know. And learn means he came to know that the rocket was going to moon. And he is also mentioning in this sentence because even there they were standing very near to Bobby, and no one was there. Even they were speaking in a low voice so that no one could listen it. And this sentence only he said it was funny. Let me move on to paragraph number 22. He had known now for 3 days that at 4 o'clock the roof would open and the dome would be turned into a blast pit, and the rocket would shoot out through space to the moon. 3 days before, okay, here this is 3 days before he came to know that now after fourth day, the 4 o'clock. Okay, at 4 o'clock, the roof would open. Okay, where the rocket is placed, that roof will be opened, and the dome means the place will turn into a blast pit. Blast pit means it is given in your textbook, a large hole in the ground where an explosion take place. A kind of pit will be formed where they can go for explosion, and the rocket would shoot out through space to the moon. Let's move on to paragraph number 23. That was all he did know for sure. Okay, till here that the rocket is going to moon on 4th day at 4 o'clock, it was very sure because he listened all these things. Neither of the men had said who was going on the first trip to the moon. Okay, but he did not sure about who is going to the moon. But Bobby knew. Now, this is Bobby's prediction. But Bobby knew father would go. How he knew? He would have to. After all, father was the second biggest scientist at Buffalo Flats. He's telling my father only will go because he is the second biggest scientist. Then what about the first? Second only will go. Why? Because second only to Professor Sklimmer himself, who was very old and wouldn't make the trip. He's telling that he will only go because the first scientist, Professor Sklimmer, is very old and wouldn't make the trip. That's why this is sure that my father only will go. There probably wasn't anybody else smart enough to go on this mission. This is just he is predicting who will go. So it was not sure. It was only Bobby's idea that my father will only go to the moon. Let me move on to paragraph number 24. The idea of going himself had been born the previous day. Wow. First thing is that father is going, that also Bobby's prediction. And now this is also an idea that Bobby only himself decide that Bobby only himself decides that he will also join his father. When he found a larger grating in the floor near the rocket and realized that if he was very careful, he could climb out of the sewer and then duck into the rocket when nobody was looking. Once inside, he was quite sure he would find a place to hide until blast off. In this paragraph, he is just planning that, okay, I can also join my father. And how he will join? Because he got the larger grating. The sewer, he got there. And then he also planned that, okay, I can join my father by going through the sewer, and I can tuck into the rocket when nobody was looking. And once if I will get inside, I can find the place. So this is all Bobby's prediction, Bobby's idea, Bobby's planning, not any other or not the sure planning done by any scientist. At first, thinking about it, he had been scared. But after he realized how proud his parents would be, he made up his mind. Now in 25, it is told that first he was thinking, he was very scared while planning that I can go with the sewer, I can get into the rocket, I can find the place till the blast off, until the blast off. So these many things he was scaring while he was thinking. But after he realized that if I will go to the moon, it will be a proud moment for my parents, and thinking that, he made up his mind to go to the moon. Let me go for paragraph number 28. Now, my dear students, till 25 paragraph, the backstory was there where he was planning that who will go, how will go, and this all happened. Okay, now 26 paragraph onwards, we have the present. Now, what will happen at the time of launch, at the time of rocket launch? Let's see on 26 paragraph. Taking a deep breath, he opened the grating and got out. Okay, now he got out from the sewer. It was only 4 steps to open port of the rocket. The door, port means the left side of the rocket or spacecraft when facing the front. Some kind of place was there. Okay, so he stepped into the rocket. There was a little ramp they had used to roll things in. Okay, there was a ramp so that they can put the things, they can roll the things in the rocket. The Bobby's feet touched it lightly as he jumped into the ship. He found himself in some kind of storeroom. Now he is in the rocket. It would be a good place to hide, all right. He thought, okay, this is a good place. It looks like a storeroom, so I can be here. It was full of aluminum barrels, a kind of pillars we can say. Aluminum barrels were there, all the same size. So today we will go only for page number 4 explanation. The next page number 5 and 6 I will be explaining you in my next video. So keep watching. Bye bye.